Hi, we in Tokyo, Japan, at the coin laundry here. So they had the washer for the small one. This one is like smaller, and then that's for 300 yen for the machine wash. That's 30 minutes. Just put the laundry in there. This one is for the big one. So this one is 500 yen, 10 kilos. The other one is 5 kilos. So really cool. Everything's automatic, and then beside the dryer. I think there you put 100 yen, and then for every 8 minutes, well, 8 minutes is 100 yen. So every dollar is 8 minutes. Actually 50 cents, 75 cents. It's all in Japanese, so everything is automatic. So that's the instruction. Really cool place next to the hotel. So Japanese is Tokyo's really advanced, so they got everything here. So that's 5 kilo. This size 10 kilo, 500 yen. This is 300 yen, $2. This one is probably $4, $3. Take about 30 minutes. Now here's all the residential. And then now here is the main road. All kind of restaurant now here. Foods. Tourists over there. Convenience store. Oh, this is the laundromat. This is full service. The other one is coin laundry self-service. Down there is the main road, 7-Eleven. And then next to it is the all the shops. And then look where they got the train over there. All the trains on the other side, so that's the train over there. This side is your restaurant. Foods. That's the train station. So everywhere train. So this is the Higashi Nibashi station, and then they have two lines here. That's Toei subway, Kuro Yokohama station, and this side is the Toei subway. So they have two train line here, so it depends where you want to go. So really cool. So they got the elevator, this side, stairs over there. Just waiting for the laundry, just walking around. About 30 minutes. Got all the condo. So that's the main road here. There is 7-Eleven, everywhere 7-Eleven. Train station also.